can respond in vernacular. We want to move from providing just information to have a direct link into getting people tested so that we can connect our message to whether that person actually went to a counseling and testing center. And then finally, we've been piloting another project, which I'll show you a little slide about, where we really want to provide adherence support for patients who finally actually went for testing and went into the ARV or antiretroviral treatment program. And there you can see the screenshot. We've been piloting with 10,000 patients at one of the largest HIV clinics in South Africa, where we send SMSs to people who are in treatment. You can see that it says, you have an appointment at the clinic on the 1st of November. Please call us if you want to change your appointment. And that way we can really track the performance of the campaign long run. And I'd like to hand over to Robert to take us through this program. Thank you.
So what you have just heard is about how people working deeply nestled, deep in the community most affected by this illness, working with technologists working on the very vanguard edge of technology, working together can create technology solutions that reach millions of people and really go to scale. And we are already on a daily basis, just every email that comes out of South Africa about the data that we are seeing how this project is amazing. But as a through line through the project, even before we alighted upon this solution, we at PopTech were incredibly honored by the commitment of an organization called Frog Design. Frog is one of the world's preeminent design firms and strategic design firms. And what I think is interesting about design, and you've heard about it here a couple of times actually in the last few days, is this idea that design is more than putting the finishing touches on a piece of consumer electronics, or about, designing the bevel on the button of your digital music player. But that design is a process of thinking and a way of doing strategic and creative problem solving. And what Robert and his team brought to Project M is a way of thinking to discover new problems to solve and ways of taking the incredible results we're already seeing out of Project M and treat them as the baseline for a platform for an incredible breakthrough solution that's coming next. And so I am incredibly honored that Robert and his team, they have put hundreds of thousands of dollars and hours and time and their incredible patience and commitment and resources behind this. And I think what you're going to see now, on top of that already incredible result, is really astounding. So you please welcome Robert Fabricant.